Alright, this is my first packing video. I go a lot of places and I never make packing videos. So here's one. I'm spending 2 weeks in Colombia, so it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be a little bit rainy, but it's gonna be short, and I'm actually gonna treat it as a vacation instead of a budget backpacker life thing, so just keep that in mind. I'm only bringing this big, it's pretty big actually, backpack that I just got because I've taken, regular backpacks before, and yeah, they're nice. And this one that I have that's a similar size to this, like a day pack kind of thing, is, I don't know, it's dirty and I don't think I need it for this trip because it's, like I said, gonna be vacation-y. And these are the only shoes I'm bringing for any hikes that I go on. I'm gonna go shopping, hopefully, vacation, woohoo, for sandals while I'm there. So I'm only bringing, this is all my underwear already packed away in there. There's like 8 pairs of underwear and a bra. There's my one-piece swimsuit. There's 3 crop tops or shirts. There's a short sleeve shirt with a button up, and then a pair of sleep shorts and a pair of regular day shorts, and then a pair of pants and a dress slash shirt thing. These are like adventure hiking pants, so got that covered. And then my sarong, or a scarf, or keep myself warm on the plane, sit on the beach kind of thing. And there's a rain jacket in there, which I think I'm gonna use as a keep warm on the plane thing also. We'll see how that goes. Usually I bring a hoodie, but I just really don't want to, stuff that thing too hard. So, and then here's a maxi skirt that can go with all my tops. There's a little waist belt thing that I got in Guatemala, and there's a scarf for my hair, charger, headphones, the most expensive thing I'm bringing, which are my Jimmy Choo sunglasses in a different kind of case, and there's my actual glasses case, and a laundry bag, a headlamp, not a headlamp, oh my gosh, a blow-up lantern, solar-powered Lucci light, not sponsored, a journal, notebook thing that I got in Guatemala, my passport, wallet, and a wristlet thing. I'm only bringing the bag and then this wristlet, so I'm hoping that when I'm going out on the town away from the hotel and hostel vacation, woohoo, I'll be able to just use that and put my phone in there and cards, and it'll be easy. And it'll be on my wrist so nobody can thief it. And there's a couple of little extra food things I always have and I never actually use, except for this. I think I've used once in the airport, a little iced coffee instant thing. But here's a meal and a powder in case I get hungry. There's sugar, salt, pepper, you never know. A lot of places I go never have spoons when I want them. I hate using disposable spoons and forks, but there's my spoon I got in Mexico. My bag of jewelry, there's like a couple necklaces and earrings and such in there. And that's that for, stuff. And all the toiletry things are here. And as you can see, I have a lot of stuff, but the key is, if you're gonna be a girl and you're gonna be cute and you're gonna be feminine while you're traveling, is make everything as small and cute as possible. So in here is my toothpaste, deodorant. I don't use shampoo. I'll just use some cornstarch to sort of absorb the powder, absorb the grease in my hair. So, one of those is deodorant, one of those is cornstarch. Here's some SPF. I'm probably gonna buy more when I get, obviously, to the hot tropical country. Here's some face wash. Here's some like lotion slash sunscreen, I think is in here. Yeah, definitely moisturizer because I have dry skin. And some face SPF 50, SPF 47. And then a little thing of hand sanitizer that I never use. A ponytail, some soap in here, not very much, just like some soap flakes. Lip gloss, I don't know where my chapstick is, so there's that. And contact stuff. I do things that eye doctors do not recommend with my contacts, like use them multiple times, so I only brought, a few sets. And then here's all the makeup and all matches, that's cute. And it's all eye stuff and no face stuff, because, all you really need is eye stuff in a sweaty country if you're gonna look good at night. Just like eyebrow, primer, under eye, and then eyeshadow and mascara and eyeliners. And a couple brushes, and there's the little mini hairbrush, and there's my toothbrush holder thing over there. And then this is like a shower muff thing, a little shower glove. Can't do it with one hand. And you just like slough off dead skin with it and soap up with it. Essential oils in here, little mini bottles. Everything has to be mini. And I don't know, stuff's gonna go in that bag. I don't know why I put it there, but that's the toiletries. Oh! Band-Aids. Thing for all those liquids to go in. And then menstrual stuff if I need it. Oh, I need to pack ibuprofen. That's another thing I forgot. But once I get Advil or ibuprofen, then that will be complete. And it's not very much stuff. It's really cute. And like I said, it's all gonna go in this backpack. There you go. 2 weeks in Colombia, ready to go.